Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting right now. Make sure your iPhone and Mac meet continuity camera requirements and that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID on both devices so they trust each other. Open FaceTime or the app you'll use. With the iPhone positioned near the Mac, click the video source menu and select your iPhone as the camera. You're already live. This step connects video stream and audio. It's fast and avoids extra adapters. Now configure the capture for a clean image. Mount the iPhone, clip or tripod works, so framing is stable. Next, choose rear or front lens from the app's camera options depending on your shot. You can change lenses mid-call for higher quality. Enable center stage and portrait if you want automatic framing and background blur. Make sure the app is using the iPhone microphone if you prefer its audio. These adjustments control how the Mac receives. To finalize, switch the video source back to your Mac camera or simply close the app when finished. That cleanly ends the continuity camera session. If something goes wrong, first update iOS and Mac OS and restart both devices to refresh services. If the iPhone isn't detected, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and confirm you tap Trust on the iPhone. That single troubleshooting tip, restart and reauthorize, resolves most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.